In this video, I'll show you how to control where and when your Talk to Chat widget appears. Restricting the widget helps you fine-tune the support experience so the right people see it at the right time. You might want to hide the widget on certain devices, show it only on specific websites, or limit it to visitors in selected countries. To get started, log into your Talk.to account and ensure you've selected the correct property. Click the gear icon at the top of the dashboard to open the administration panel. Under Channels, choose Chat Widget. Scroll down to Availability Restriction, and you'll see options to manage domain, country, and platform restrictions. Click Configure to open the settings you want to adjust. Once you save your changes, the widget updates instantly. There's no need to touch your site's code. Domain restrictions let you control which websites display your widget. If you've installed it on multiple domains, you can choose to show or hide it on selected ones. Just enter the domains in plain format, like example.com or shop.example.com, without HTTP or HTTPS. Country restrictions allow you to show or hide the widget depending on the visitor's location. Simply search for and select the countries you want. The system relies on IP addresses, so it's generally accurate, but keep in mind, VPNs or geolocation limits may sometimes affect results. Platform restrictions give you the choice of showing the widget on desktop, mobile, or tablet devices. For instance, you may decide to disable it on mobile if you prefer visitors to reach you through a different channel. By combining these settings, you can make sure your widget is visible only where it makes sense, whether that's by region, by device, or by website. This way, you provide a more focused and personalized support experience. For more tutorials, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.